Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. November has come and gone. Finally December, we are in the full swing of the holidays, and I wanted to do my Amazon bestsellers for the past month. I posted 4 gift guides. The majority of these are gift ideas from my gift guide, so if you haven't watched those, definitely do so. And I posted a ton of Amazon content, so I'm so excited today to sit down and share with y'all the 20 bestsellers from November, because I couldn't just do 15. I'm gonna try to go pretty quick, but I'll have everything linked up below. I'm also doing 24 days of Amazon gift ideas, affordable gift ideas, over on my Instagram, my TikTok, and here on YouTube Shorts. So follow me on there if you haven't already, and subscribe. Let's get into it. Starting off with number 20, we have this light up LED travel mirror. It comes in 2 different sizes. It's around $24 for the big one and $17 for the smaller one. It has 3 different lighting settings. It's rechargeable and completely flat. It's TSA approved, so you don't have to take it out of your bag or your carry-on. Number 19 is the couch cup holder. I love this thing. I use it every single day that I sit on my couch. I'm staring at it right as we speak. It was on sale, pretty discounted, actually the most discounted it's ever been on Black Friday / Cyber Weekend. The most amazing gift, especially for people that have everything, for men in your life. It's just so convenient to have. Number 18 is the sunrise alarm clock. I don't want to talk about it too much, but obsessed with it. I use it every single day. Once again, an amazing gift, especially for people that have everything, people that struggle waking up. Number 17 comes from my stocking stuffers and gifts under 15 gift guide. I'll link that down below. It is the 8-piece car air fresheners for $10. I said that this is great to like split up into little gifts. They're super cute, very trendy. Amazon has so many. I saw Harry Styles, Drake, Bad Bunny, so there's truly something for everyone, and it's like a small but useful gift, and it's so cute. Number 16 is the gifting supplies organizer. Not only would this be convenient to have year-round, especially if you have a lot of gifting bags and wrapping paper, but for the holidays it's truly perfect. I just carry mine around every time I wrap a gift for Christmas. I just carry it around. I have my ribbon, I have tape in there, I have all the wrapping paper, I have bags. I'm obsessed with it. It's truly great to have. Number 15 are the magnetic ABC alphabet letters for toddlers and kids. They're oversized, so they're not a choking hazard. They're only $11. They're so cute, educational. My daughter is 16 months now, and she loves them. She plays with them every single day. Number 14 is one of my must-haves, set everyday type of product, is this mini vacuum. I said this in my gift guide, but truly everyone in my life is getting this for Christmas. I think it's one of those things that people don't buy but need and will use. I love it. I literally used it like 10 minutes ago. Number 13 is these clip dips for your car. Basically, you know, you're at McDonald's getting some fries, treat yourself, and you have nowhere to put your sauce, so while you're driving you cannot dip it, and it's the worst. You put this in the car air vents and you put your sauce there. It fits perfectly. I already tried it, just, you know, for testing purposes, obviously. Number 12 are the 3-piece snacks, travel, and stuff. Super cute. That one is $24. You can divide it up, or you can give it as a set. Such a good size. They're clear. They look just like Sony Clever, which is like super expensive. Number 11, something I'm using as we speak. The tripod with the Bluetooth remote. It's meant for your phone, but I'm using it with my Canon G7X, so it also works with that. Y'all, I've seen it go as low as $9 for a tripod. It's such a good deal for teens, people who want to be TikTokers, people who want to make videos, but also we, like my husband and I, have used it to take all kinds of pictures, like very important pictures, family Christmas photos, our baby announcement pictures, gender reveal, anything. It's such a useful thing to have, and I cannot believe the price right now. Speaking of, I cannot believe the price right now, number 10 is the cold brew maker. Y'all, it went down to $11 on Black Friday, but it's still pretty inexpensive. I think right now it's only $16. People would think you spend way more than $16 on it, especially if you combine it with like coffee or coffee beans or a nice mug, something like that. It would be such a good gift for coworkers, for your boss. I love coffee, as you can probably tell. Another thing I love wine. Number 9 is the electric wine opener. Another thing that looks way more expensive than it is. It was also extremely discounted. I've seen it go up and down, but it's definitely still under $20, mostly under $15. I think this is great, especially if you're bulk gifting and you don't really know someone too well. That with like a cheap Trader Joe's bottle of wine would be a 10 out of 10, or even like a glassware set. Amazon has really cute ones right now. Just easy gift. Number 8 is something that's always on every bestsellers list every year. It's the leather sunglass organizer. I actually purchased one for, I don't want to say, but for one of my guy friends, because guys usually don't buy these things and they're so extremely useful. Under $20. Number 7 is where I feel vindicated. I feel like I've done something right in life. Because number 7 is the glass e-cloth cleaners. It might sound like the lamest gift ever, but when I tell you those things changed my life like over a year ago that I've had them, and I haven't gone back to buying Windex or anything like that. Okay, I went off the rails after like this clip, so I just wanted to show you guys why I was so passionate about it. So as you can see, someone, I don't want to name names, but someone that has a very small hand loves to put them sticky on the mirror. So here we go, just water. You might think, Philo, you're ruining the mirror, it looks so dirty now. Nope. Bye, sissy. Kelsey. You can see it's clean, so that's why I love this. The point is, I said in the video, you might think this is loser, you might think this is like worse than getting socks for Christmas, but I promise you they'll love it. And so many of you listen to me, so now we just have to wait and see when your nephew or your granddaughter uses it and calls you and it's like, Grandma, I love you so much, thank you so much for the best gift ever. That was under $20, so just let me know. You call me. The thing with these videos is that they progressively get more unhinged because the more I talk, the more crazy I get, I guess. Happens every time. I don't know why I'm surprised at all, but number 7. No, number 6, we have this set of sponges. It's only $9. It comes with 5 beauty sponges. Well, I gifted mine to my cousin already just because I saw her and I wanted her to have it. She's really good at makeup, and as you can tell, I am not. This set is perfect. It comes in a cute little box. It's colorful. Great once again for girls, teenagers, cousins, sisters, something like that, because all you have to do is put a bow and a gift tag and you're good to go. Number 7 was another bestseller last year. It's the digital coin bank. It's like a piggy bank, but it keeps count of every time you add a coin, so it tells you the total every time, which in my opinion is super convenient. And I say this every time I bring it up, but the way to make this gift even cuter and more like personalized is to add a little sticker or decal, or even like with your handwriting and a chalk pen or a Sharpie for your car, for your college fund, for the trip you want to take to Europe, for the honeymoon, for your wife or husband, anything, or like date night, or I don't know, maybe like for your kids to like motivate them to save for a new toy. That would be so much cuter than just handing them a box like, here you go, here's your Christmas gift. I think that's amazing, and I actually just thought of someone that I could gift this to with something on it, so I'm excited. Number 4 was last year's number 1 gift bestseller. It's the car registration and insurance holder. So many people bought it last year that I'm shocked that there's still people that watch my videos that are still buying it. It makes no sense to me. I just think it's like so convenient to have. It's nice. It's once again one of those things that people could use and maybe need, but don't buy it for themselves. And most people, believe it or not, have never heard of it. I was someone last year who had never heard of it. I'm so glad I bought it, and then I bought it for everyone else. So that's my contribution to society, just recommending car insurance holders. And speaking of socks, I know so many people are gonna hate me by association, I guess, because I'm the one that recommended your mom or your aunt or your dad to buy you socks for Christmas, but these are cozy. They remind me of Barefoot Dreams. 7 pairs of socks for $12. The colors are cute. Like, what more can you ask for? If you're getting socks for Christmas, might as well be these. I mean, I kept them. Like, I was like, oh yeah, I'm totally gonna gift these. Nope, I kept them. They're cozy, they're cute, I love the colors. They come in different colors, they fit perfectly, and if you were concerned, they wash so well. So there you go. Okay, I said this in my Black Friday video and I was right. Number 2 is this 4-piece cosmetic bag set, kind of like Sunny Clever dupes once again. But y'all, you get 4 of these for $10. What? I think it was $15 on Black Friday. It went down even more. I haven't checked it since. And the #1 bestseller of the entire month of November, of all the 4 gift guides I posted, of Black Friday Cyber Weekend, is none other than the laser leveler. What? Yes, you heard that right. Out of all things, out of the hundreds of products I have on my Amazon shop that I've talked about on my YouTube channel, that is what I've influenced y'all to buy the most. And honestly, I am so proud of myself because if there's something I am so glad I found and I bought this year, is that we literally used it yesterday to hang our bedroom gallery wall. My husband uses it every single time he has to hang something, and most importantly I use it because it's foolproof. You literally stick it to your wall. It has like a little sharp thing. You stick it, you level it, the laser starts. I'm literally explaining laser levelers for dummies, but you know, it just goes and you're like, oh, it's leveled, or oh, it's not, let me fix it. $14. When I tell you, this is just a genius gift. Not just for, you might think like, oh, maybe my husband could use this. Sure, he probably can. For your daughter who just moved away to college, for your son who lives alone, for maybe not your grandpa, but maybe your grandpa. I don't know, I don't have a grandpa. Well, I do, but you know, they're dead. That took a turn. Anyway, what I'm trying to say is so useful, so affordable, probably unique because I feel like most people aren't gonna get that for Christmas. And I promise you, even if they hang one thing for the next year and they use it, they'll love it and they want to hang more things. It's a fact. So there's my actual contribution to society. Why did I bring up my dead grandparents? I don't know. And on that note, it always takes this turn. I don't think I've ever filmed a bestsellers video that hasn't taken a turn for the unhingedness. Always. Why am I doing this, you ask? I don't know. Anyway, that's everything for today's video. Glad we went there. I didn't mention this, but the stockings, I got a 4-pack, I think, from Amazon for like 20 bucks. And they're like knit and they're nice and they're pretty, so I'll link those down below. And then my mantle is also Amazon, in case you were wondering. But yeah, that's everything I have to say. Thank you, on a serious note, for all the support on my gift guides, my TikToks, my Instagram reels, my Amazon shop, trusting my link recommendations, coming for me for sale recommendations on Black Friday, when I know every other influencer, every other YouTuber, every other TikToker is pushing a million products, and the fact that y'all come to me to like trust my recommendations, just, I could cry, but I'm not. Who knows, maybe I might. Not the point. Thank you guys for everything this past month. I'm so thankful, and I'm so glad these gift guides and these like more affordable but still useful and unique and, you know, like good quality. Like no one wants to get like crappy gifts, you know, but also I know it's like a hard time, so no one wants to spend like $100 a person on gifts. So I'm glad these gift recommendations are helpful for those of you that are on a budget, and I'm glad like the little giveaways I've been doing, I mean, I wish I could do so much more, but I'm glad they also help. So I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for being here, for watching. I hope you guys are having a great start to December and the holidays, and do not worry, I have more gift guides coming, so I'll talk to you guys very soon in my next one.